Yo, I am going to be doing an oil change on my Indian Scout bobber. Yeah, she needs to be clean too, but let's do the oil change first. One of the first things that I kind of like to do is check the oil level on a flat surface while it's just right at the ad. There are two 6mm bolts underneath that need to be unscrewed. There's the old oil filter. There we go. It comes in a kit, so I like to pre-flush with the remainder of last year's kit. Here is the new one. Super thick. It's not full, but I'm happy where it's at. Tint to it, but it is definitely black.
If you like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.